Hi, I'm Alastair, the bird control specialist for Killgerm Chemicals. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Fix-A-Net system, which could save you up to 30% of your costs and labour in the installation. The Fix-A-Net system is really good against the traditional wire systems. Fix-A-Net system comes in two sizes. One size is designed for 50mm and 75mm net, and the other size is designed for 19 and 28mm net. Each strip comes the 50mm to 75 in 50cm lengths, half metre, and the other size comes in 49cm size lengths. Also, we have the corner brackets for going internally in the corners, which I'll show more on later. This system can be used on balconies, canopies, warehouse roofs, anything like that. This system is brilliant for installing on cladded buildings, listed buildings, or anywhere where you have a tricky situation. This can save you up to 30% of your labour costs and material costs against the traditional method. The Fix-A-Net system doesn't require any specialist tools. A cordless drill or a caulking gun with some adhesive and a set of net shears and some screws. Also, you've not got to forget bringing your decks that you're going to be using for your installation. 50mm, 19mm, 28mm or 75mm, whatever your job is going to be on site. Let me show you how to install the Fix-A-Net corners. Get your corner, place it in the corner with the pre-piloted holes. We're going into a wood frame here. Using your cordless drill. Screw your corner in. Then get your next 50mm strip. This piece can be used for 50 or 75mm net. On your pre-piloted holes, put one of your screws in and then literally screw them in. It's recommended that if you are screwing these in to any sort of frame that you put 3 screws in per strip, or if you wanted to, you could use your adhesive and run a bead of adhesive all the way down and then stick your strip on so the adhesive squeezes through the holes within the frame. Be aware that adhesive normally takes between 24 and 48 hours to cure, depending on the outside temperature. Once cured, it is ready to go. Please make sure if you are going to screw onto any listed buildings that you're allowed to put rigid fixings in. If not, an adhesive will need to be applied. That's how easy it is to install the Fix-A-Net. Now we've got our frames installed using our 50mm net, starting in the corner to clip in and then going across the top and then down the side. These clips, the hooks on the clips can take up to 250 kilos, where a hog ring can only take around 30 kilos. Once clipped in, they're nice and secure and not easy to pull out. Working from left to top and then all the way down one side and then across to the other, working in sections to keep it equilateral to keep your net nice and tight. And here we are finishing into the corner. We're using our net, pulling it down nice and tight so we don't have any sagging in the net, because birds can get caught up in saggy nets. Basically flicking it back on to frame. Once it's all clipped in and all the squares are all clipped up and the net is nice and tight, literally get your netting shears and start cutting your net, leaving at least a square from the frame, allowing this for expansion and contraction. Now that's how you install the Fix-A-Net system. Quick, easy to install. If you'd like any more information, head over to killgerm.com. If not, get in touch with your sales manager. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.